Welcome to the top best. The best Kerasys is probably one of the most well-known hair care brands, and their shampoo and conditioner lines are designed to cater to a wide range of hair types and concerns. Whether you're dealing with dry, damaged hair or simply looking for a daily cleanser that leaves your hair feeling refreshed, Kerasys has a product that might be perfect for you. Let's dive in and see what makes Kerasys stand out. Number 5. Kerasys Oriental Premium Shampoo and Conditioner Set. This is the Kerasys Oriental Premium Shampoo and Conditioner Set. It's designed to provide your hair with the care it deserves. This set will leave your hair feeling refreshed and revitalized. The shampoo gently cleanses your hair, removing impurities without stripping away essential moisture. It's formulated with Oriental ingredients to nourish your scalp. Use it regularly for healthy, shiny hair. The conditioner provides intense hydration, leaving your hair soft and manageable. It helps to detangle and smooth the hair, reducing frizz. It's the perfect complement to the shampoo. This set is enriched with Oriental ingredients known for their beneficial properties. They work together to improve the overall health of your hair. Experience the difference with every wash. Make the Kerasys Oriental Premium Set a part of your daily hair care routine. It's a simple way to achieve beautiful, healthy hair. Try it today and see the results. What we like. This set utilizes an Oriental herbal formula, perfect for those seeking traditional hair care. It strengthens hair elasticity, giving your hair a healthy shine. If you are looking for a shampoo and conditioner that combines traditional beauty secrets with modern hair science, you should consider this. What people say. Makes hair soft, shiny, and more manageable. If you have curly or damaged hair, this is the product for you. Works beautifully, smells terrific. Number 4. Kerasys Elegance and Sensual Shampoo and Rinse Set. Introducing the Kerasys Elegance and Sensual Perfumed Shampoo and Rinse Set. This set is designed to leave your hair feeling and smelling amazing. It's a perfect choice for those who want a touch of luxury in their daily routine. This set includes both shampoo and conditioner, working together to cleanse and nourish your hair. The formula is gentle yet effective, leaving your hair feeling soft and manageable. You'll love how it makes your hair look and feel. This product is proudly made in Korea, known for its high-quality beauty products. You can trust in the craftsmanship and care that goes into every bottle. Experience the difference that Korean beauty can make for your hair. The set comes with a generous 600 milliliters of shampoo and 600 milliliters of rinse. This ensures you have plenty of product to enjoy the benefits for a long time. It's a great value for a premium hair care experience. The fragrance is both elegant and sensual, leaving a lasting impression. The scent will linger in your hair, providing a delightful sensory experience. It's the perfect way to elevate your everyday hair care routine. What we like. This set offers an elegant and sensual fragrance, making your hair smell amazing. Made in Korea, you know it's a quality product. If you like a shampoo that leaves your hair smelling luxurious and feeling refreshed, you should consider this. What people say. Makes your hair soft and it smells amazing for days. Works great and smells good. Nice fragrance leaves hair shiny and manageable. Number 3. Kerasys Lovely and Romantic Shampoo and Rinse 600 milliliters. Introducing the Kerasys Lovely and Romantic Perfumed Shampoo and Rinse. This set will leave your hair smelling wonderful and feeling refreshed. This is a shampoo and rinse set. They work together to cleanse and condition your hair, leaving it soft and manageable. You'll receive 2 bottles, each containing 600 milliliters of product. This ensures you have plenty to keep your hair looking and smelling great. This product is made in Korea. It's formulated with quality ingredients to provide the best care for your hair. Kerasys is a trusted brand known for its effective and fragrant hair care products. Try it today. What we like. This set features a lovely and romantic scent, perfect for those who enjoy a touch of sweetness. Made in Korea, it promises quality and effectiveness. If you like a shampoo and conditioner that adds a touch of romance to your daily routine, you should consider this. What people say. The shampoo and conditioner left my hair feeling soft and manageable. The scent is amazing and lasts all day. The shampoo lathers up nicely and cleanses the hair effectively. Number 2. Kerasys Repairing Shampoo and Conditioner, 600 milliliters. Are your locks looking a little worse for wear? This is the perfect solution for damaged hair, split ends, and frizzy hair. It will help you get your hair back to its healthy state. This product is packed with nourishing ingredients. It includes argan oil, jojoba oil, avocado oil, ceramide, edelweiss, and Swiss alpine herbal extract. These ingredients work together to repair and revitalize your hair. This shampoo gently cleanses and prepares your hair for the next step. It helps to repair damage and improve the overall health of your hair. Use it regularly for best results. For optimal results, use this conditioner in conjunction with the shampoo. It deeply moisturizes and further repairs damaged hair. This combination will leave your hair feeling soft, smooth, and healthy. Experience the difference with this product. It will transform your hair, leaving it looking and feeling its best. Try it today and see the amazing results. What we like. This set is specifically designed to repair damaged hair, addressing split ends and frizz. It's enriched with natural oils like argan and jojoba. If you have damaged hair and are looking for a solution to restore its health and shine, you should consider this. What people say. Your hair will wash great, lots of suds, it'll feel clean and oil-free. After the first application of the repairing shampoo and conditioner, my hair looks and feels shiny. It's definitely smoother and feels so much softer. It suds lightly, which I like a lot, and doesn't leave behind a dry tangled mess after a wash. It literally feels soft after a wash. Then when I condition it, the hair feels so soft after, and I'm so happy I took a leap of faith with this. Number 1. Kerasys Oriental Premium Shampoo and Conditioner Set. Introducing the Kerasys Oriental Premium Set. This set includes 2 shampoos and 2 conditioners, each 600 milliliters. It's designed for both professional salons and home use. This product is made in South Korea. It's a complete hair care solution, designed to revitalize your hair. This set is suitable for all hair types. The Oriental herbs in it help to prevent hair loss, promoting healthier hair. Based on Kerasys hair science, this set helps you discover your hidden beauty. It strengthens hair elasticity for a glossy look. The set contains camellia seed oil and dual protein. They revitalize damaged hair and intensify scalp and hair roots, leaving your hair feeling refreshed. What we like. This set is suitable for all hair types and helps prevent hair loss. It's formulated for both professional salons and home use. If you are looking for a high-quality set that caters to all hair types and promotes healthy hair growth, you should consider this. What people say. It leaves my hair smooth and smelling very nice. Within a few days I noticed thicker shiny hair. Her hair stopped falling. Definitely repaired and helps with my hair definition. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.